Welcome to the world of styling with crochet. In this introductory episode, we're diving into the basics of crochet, focusing on two distinct methods for holding your crochet hook. The first technique mimics holding a pencil. So what you're going to do is you're going to place the hook between your middle and your index finger, securing it with your thumb. And the end of the crochet hook rests on the outside of your hand. Okay, let's repeat this. Place the hook between your middle and your index finger, securing it with your thumb, and let the hook rest on the outside of your hand. So this is what it looks like when you crochet. Okay, now for the second method, which is my personal favorite. You're going to rest the hook on the side of your palm and then angling it towards your pinky, your ring finger, and your middle finger. Your index finger rests on top of the hook while your thumb secures it on the opposite side. Now as you crochet, allow your pinky and ring finger to slightly curl around the hook. Okay, let's go over this again. Rest the hook on the side of your palm, angle it towards your fingers, your index finger on top and your thumb securing it on the opposite side, and let your pinky and your ring finger slightly curl around the hook. Okay, so this is what this looks like when you crochet. Experiment with both techniques and find the one that feels more comfortable for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and stay tuned for more exciting videos coming your way.